In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Shop Now button on your Facebook business page. Having a clear Shop Now button makes it much easier for people to move from browsing your content to actually buying from your store. So let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully working button connected to your online shop. First, open Facebook in your browser and go to your Facebook business page. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you have admin access to the page. You should be on the main homepage of your business profile, where you see your cover photo, profile image, and main navigation. Near the top of the page, just below your cover photo, look for the main action button. This might currently say something like edit, message, or another call to action, depending on what you set up before. Click on this action button to open its options. A small menu will appear. From here, click on Change Button. This is where Facebook lets you choose what you want visitors to do when they land on your page. You'll now see a list of button types you can use. Look through the options and select Buy Now. This is the one that will create a shopping-focused call to action for your visitors. Once you've selected Buy Now, go ahead and click on Next at the bottom of the window to continue. On the next screen, Facebook will ask you which tool or e-commerce platform you want to connect this button to. You'll see several options such as BigCommerce, Boutier, Ecwid, Cafe24, WooCommerce, EasyStore, and more. Choose the platform where your online store is currently set up. If you're not sure which one you're using, check where your products are managed and where your website's shop is hosted. After selecting your platform, click on Continue. Facebook will now redirect you to sign into the e-commerce tool you chose. Log in with your usual credentials for that platform. This step is important because it allows Facebook to securely connect your page with your store. Once you've granted permission, Facebook will link your account and activate the Buy Now button on your page. From that point on, visitors can click the button and go directly to your store to start shopping, making it easier for you to turn page views into customers.